never miss a video from the Aesthetic Clinics and Dr. Debraj show. Good morning. Today we are talking about how Ptosis surgery can get rid of droopy eyelids. Without even looking at yourself carefully, you may suddenly find that both your eyelids are not at the same level. One of the eyes may appear smaller, both eyes may appear smaller, or you can find that your brows are arched. These might be signs to show that you have a droopy eyelid or ptosis. In such cases, performing a ptosis surgery is the way to make sure that you can look symmetrical. This surgery is performed from the skin. There is no scar at the end of surgery. You can actually go ahead and tighten the muscle such that the eyelid can be elevated and both eyes end up looking much more symmetrical than before. So it is possible to have symmetrical looking eyes if you go ahead and choose an eyelid surgeon who can go ahead and make your eyes look symmetrical through ptosis surgery. The added advantage is it will also make you appear or look at things much more clearly, because the eyelids being down can actually go ahead and compromise your vision also to some extent without you even realizing it. Thanks for listening.
Hello, I'm Dr. Debraj. I'm a facial plastic surgeon. I trained in the United States, Singapore, Europe and India, and now currently I'm practicing in Mumbai, India. Facial plastic surgery is a specialty in which plastic surgeons train only in surgeries of the face. This is a very nascent specialty in India, and there are only 3 or 4 surgeons in the whole of India. Thank you for allowing us to participate in your case.
Thank you for listening. Do not forget to share, comment, like and subscribe to our videos from the Aesthetic Clinics and from Dr. Debraj Show.